Amazing superhero transformation into futuristic bulldozer. Thanos. Destroying everything. Thanos is now a futuristic bulldozer. Green Lantern. The power of the Green Ring. Green Lantern is now a futuristic bulldozer. Wasp. Small but strong, Wasp is now a futuristic bulldozer. Loki. Heavy deception. Loki is now a futuristic bulldozer. Captain America. Heavy patriotism. Captain America is now a futuristic bulldozer. Wolverine. Giant steel claws. Wolverine is now a futuristic bulldozer. Superman. The power of Krypton. Superman is now a futuristic bulldozer. Deadpool. Humor and mayhem. Deadpool is now a futuristic bulldozer. Robin. Heavy companion. Robin is now a futuristic bulldozer. Black Panther. Wakanda Patrol. Black Panther is now a futuristic bulldozer. Venom. Heavy symbiote. Venom is now a futuristic bulldozer. Joker. Chaos in construction. Joker is now a futuristic bulldozer. Iron Man. Stark technology. Iron Man is now a futuristic bulldozer. Ant-Man. Infinite size. Ant-Man is now a futuristic bulldozer. The Flash. Destructive speed. The Flash is now a futuristic bulldozer. Batman. Heavy darkness. Batman is now a futuristic bulldozer. Wonder Woman. The power of the Amazon. Wonder Woman is now a futuristic bulldozer. Thank you for accompanying us on this exciting journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next interesting content. You guys are awesome, and see you in the next video. Stay alive and enjoy exploring the mysterious world of superpowers. See you in the next video.